Crash Course on Netherlands. Art and Museums. Welcome to a crash course on the Netherlands, where we'll explore its rich art history and visit renowned museums and galleries. I'll share interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement. Afterward, we'll delve into the top 12 attractions that showcase the artistic treasures of this country. Let's begin. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Night Watch. Let's start with one of the most famous paintings in the world, The Night Watch by Rembrandt van Rijn. This masterpiece is housed in the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam and depicts a group of city guards. Dive into the painting's intriguing history and admire the skillful use of light and shadow. 2. The Girl with a Pearl Earring. Journey into the enigmatic world of Vermeer's The Girl with a Pearl Earring at the Mauritshuis in The Hague. This captivating painting has become an icon, and its allure continues to captivate audiences worldwide. 3. Van Gogh's Sunflowers. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and emotive brushstrokes of Vincent van Gogh's Sunflowers. This series of paintings, displayed in various museums around the Netherlands, showcases the artist's unique style and profound expression. Top 12 attractions of art and museums. 1. Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. Explore the Rijksmuseum, home to an extensive collection of Dutch art and history. Admire masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and other Dutch masters as you wander through the beautifully restored galleries. 2. Van Gogh Museum, Amsterdam. Delve into the life and works of Vincent van Gogh at the Van Gogh Museum. This immersive experience allows you to witness the artist's journey through his paintings, drawings, and personal letters. 3. Mauritshuis, The Hague. Discover the exquisite collection of Dutch and Flemish art at the Mauritshuis. Marvel at Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring and other renowned masterpieces in this elegant museum. 4. Kröller-Müller Museum, Otterlo. Immerse yourself in art and nature at the Kröller-Müller Museum, located in the Hague National Park. Explore the vast sculpture garden and admire Van Gogh's artworks alongside an impressive collection of modern art. 5. Stedelijk Museum, Amsterdam. Engage with contemporary and modern art at the Stedelijk Museum. Discover works by renowned artists such as Mondrian, Picasso, and Warhol, and explore thought-provoking exhibitions. 6. Anne Frank House, Amsterdam. Step into history at the Anne Frank House, where Anne Frank and her family hid during World War II. Gain insight into their life through Anne's diary and learn about the impact of her words on the world. 7. Escher in het Paleis, The Hague. Enter the mesmerizing world of M.C. Escher at Escher in het Paleis. Experience his mind-bending optical illusions and explore the intricate patterns and mathematical precision of his artwork. 8. Museum Boijmans van Beuningen, Rotterdam. Immerse yourself in a diverse collection of art at Museum Boijmans van Beuningen. From old masters to modern art, this museum offers a journey through the history of art. 9. Gemantine Museum Den Haag, The Hague. Discover a wide range of art forms at the Gemantine Museum Den Haag. Explore the works of Mondrian, Delftware ceramics, fashion, and design in this dynamic museum. 10. Van Abbe Museum, Eindhoven. Engage with contemporary and modern art at the Van Abbe Museum. Explore thought-provoking exhibitions and discover artworks that challenge traditional notions of art. 11. Frans Hals Museum, Haarlem. Step into the golden age of Dutch painting at the Frans Hals Museum. Admire the lively and expressive portraits by Frans Hals and other renowned Dutch masters. 12. Het Loo Palace, Apeldoorn. Visit Het Loo Palace, a stunning royal palace surrounded by beautiful gardens. Explore the opulent interiors and learn about the Dutch royal family's history. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands is a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. From the iconic masterpieces of Rembrandt and Vermeer to the immersive experiences in modern and contemporary art, the country's museums offer a profound journey through artistic expression. By exploring the top attractions, you'll witness the rich cultural heritage and the boundless creativity of the Dutch art scene. And now, as a final touch, a poem dedicated to the art and museums of the Netherlands. In the land of masters and dreams, the Netherlands' artistic streams. From Rembrandt's strokes so bold, to Vermeer's tales yet untold. Rijksmuseum, a grand abode, where Dutch art stories unfold. Van Gogh's vibrant hues of life stir emotions, banish strife. Mauritshuis, a pearl so rare. Masterpieces beyond compare. Kröller-Müller's nature's embrace. Art and beauty interlace. Stedelijk Museum, contemporary delight. Anne Frank House, a solemn light. Escher's illusions, minds astound. Boijmans van Beuningen, art profound. Gemma and T Museum's diverse domain. Van Abbe Museum, ideas that remain. Frans Hals Museum, Golden Age's grace. Hetlu Palace, history's embrace. In the Netherlands, art finds its home, where creativity freely roams. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.